Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
Hey guys, today we're making lemon cookies.
Yum.
So here we go. We haven't put a video up in quite a while. It's been over a week, so here we go. First off, we're going to put in 1 cup of butter. So it's really warm here, so ours is really room temperature. Get it out of there. And then I'm going to save these wrappers because I got butter still on them. I'm going to make some fudge here in a little bit, and I'm going to use this to butter the bottom of it.
Smart.
Or when you do a cake, or when you make peanut butter fudge, or
all the
brittle.
above.
All the brittle. Everything. All right, so we've got butter and a 3/4 cup of sugar. We're going to mix that up. Guys, I was taking Lyrica for my leg, my knee, the doctor gave me. It did great for the pain and everything. Not so much my brain. As for getting everything. I went to the store twice. One day I went, and then I went the next day. Forgot bags both days. How do you do that? I didn't even go in the self-checkout. And the one day I only got 2 things. And I still went out without it. So I got to thinking, oh, there's something's got to be wrong. Bill just thought I was just being me, but it was a little worse than just me. So I quit taking it, so we're still on the withdrawal of that, so hopefully I'll be better. My knee's not, because my knee hurts, but we're taking some ibuprofen instead right now. Alright, I'm going to mix this up, and we'll be right back. Alright, got that all mixed up. Now we're putting in 1 egg. And I know some people don't like food coloring, but we're doing just, you don't have to. We want yellow, just because we're yellow lemon cookies. So we're just going to put in 2 drops. That's it. I figure we can live with 2 drops. So let's get that all mixed up.
Oh, you gonna be in trouble now?
We want a little bit of yellow. My mom always put a little bit of yellow food coloring in her noodles for chicken or turkey noodles. Those are egg noodles.
Wow, I never heard of that.
All right, so we got that in there. Now we're going to put in a lemon juice. I've got a teaspoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of zest. So we're going to pour that in there. I will put all of the ingredients in the description box, guys. So let's mix that up a little bit.
Well, that ought to be some good cookies right there.
Mm-hmm. And then with a lemon glaze. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. All right.
Or a lemon filling and put them together. 2 cookies together.
See? I have to make buttercream. So right now we have 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour in here. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. We'll put that in there. And give that a little mixy mix. And then we're going to put some in here. And then we'll put some more. Alright. I'm not even going to chill my dough. We're going to see how this turns out. First time I've ever made this recipe.
You just gonna go for it, huh?
That's what we do around here.
Trial and error.
Oh, we gotta put in a tablespoon of milk or so too. I almost forgot that one. So it's like, okay, this is dry. Put a little bit of milk in there. Starting to look a little more like cookie dough instead of crumbles.
If you keep it in the bowl.
Well, I usually use this one, but I put flour in it by mistake. So it's like, oh well, we're just gonna go with this.
Yeah, that's good.
All right. Make sure we get her mixed up down in there. See, guys, look how soft and buttery that cookie mix is. See, I can't even get my words together yet. I'm working on it. Get that out of there. I've got my oven preheated to 350. So we're gonna stir these up a little bit. I cooked breakfast out on a flat top this morning, and yesterday was the first time I actually got it cleaned up this year, and made hamburgers with onions and steak with peppers. That's what we're having today, leftover. All right.
There's something about cooking on that flat top. It just makes the food really good.
All right, so we're going to put on here, I'm going to do 6 cookies.
Well, there's going to be some big ones, ain't there?
I can use my ice cream scoop and they'd be late to be bigger. All right. And then, just push them down just a little bit. Because they're going to be fluffy, evidently.
Now, do you do those like you do sugar or peanut butter cookies and sprinkle sugar on them?
No, we're going to put icing on them, like glaze.
Oh.
All right, guys, we're going in the oven, 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. We'll let you know. All right, we're going to make some glaze to go on top, and this, you just wing it. I've got a tablespoon of butter in there, really soft. I've got a teaspoon or so of lemon juice going in. And then we're going to put a little bit of vanilla. If you have clear vanilla, if you don't want a little bit of color in it, use the clear. We're going to put some vanilla. And then however much powdered sugar you think you're going to need. If it's too thick, you can add some milk or water. So we just stir it up and see what we got. If it's too thin, add more powdered sugar.
I was just fixing to say that.
Yeah, I didn't say that part. But I think we're going to need some more liquid.
I think you are.
See how we got that? So we're going to put in a little bit of milk.
I hear your birds singing out there.
You know, I do too. It was pouring down rain, so we've had, I don't know, 3 or 4 rain showers already this morning. All right, so there we have a little glaze that we can put on the cookies. I'll need to make more probably. I'm only making 6 right now. But you want to taste that glaze?
Yeah, you'll have to make a ton of that. I'm
taste
sure.
that glaze and see if we good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, all right. You heard it right out of his mouth. It's good. So we'll be back whenever the cookies come out of the oven. All right. We're getting ready to do a taste test. First off, I want to show you some egg holders that Bill is making. If anybody would like one, let us know. They're $8 plus shipping. And shipping depends on where you live. So if anybody wants one, let us know. All right, so now lemon cookies with a lemon glaze. So we're just gonna put a little bit on there and give her a taste. It was in my oven for 12 minutes. And there's what the bottom looks like. Nice and soft. My icing was dripping. This is the kind of cookie I like. Now, Bill don't like just like a plain sugar cookie. And that's about what this is like. Soft lemon cookie with lemon glaze. Perfect. All right, guys. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box. And let us know if you've tried a lemon cookie like this, or if you do plan to try it. We'd love to know. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype, please. And help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys.
Later, Gator.